What's up? My name's Kamal, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the headlights on your FJ Cruiser. The reason we're adjusting these is because we put the LED bulbs in it and it is a lot brighter, and Miranda was just driving this, following me here to the shop, and it does look like the brights are on because they are a lot brighter. So we're gonna just aim them down and hopefully that'll fix that, not be so blinding to oncoming drivers, so it's not annoying, and we don't feel bad driving at night, which we shouldn't anyways, but people are picky. So this is really straightforward. There's this like little hole right here. All you do is you stick a screwdriver Phillips down there, and there's like it's really hard to see on camera, but there's a splined, it's almost like a gear. So basically what it is it's just like this circular gear on this side, and then when you stick your screwdriver in there, it has like splines all around the edge of the circle. So literally it's just the edge of your screwdriver is making contact with those splines and turning gears that I guess lower and raise the headlight, the angle at which it's sitting at. So actually we'll try this. I mean, I haven't actually done this yet because they look pretty rusty, but we'll see. Oh yeah, it's actually turning, because I did read when if you haven't done this in a while, you might have to give it a jolt because of the fact that they do get a little rusty. They might get a little frozen, but both of these are actually moving freely, so that's nice. So now what we're going to do is actually push the car outside, and I mean, you just want, a flat building to do this against, so you can actually see the height of each one, so you can match it on both sides. What was the Miranda looked up the
You have to be parked 25 feet from the building.
All right, yeah, 25
and
feet.
Be aiming for a line 4 feet up the wall.
All right, yeah, there you go. We don't know if that's like inspection, whatever, but when you go get your car inspected, they don't even check that stuff, so not a big deal. But we're gonna get it right just because, these are brighter and more blinding to oncoming traffic. So we're gonna get outside and get started on that. First, we're just gonna measure how far it is. I'll measure 4 feet up on the door and just put some like painter's tape so it's easy to see the mark, and we'll adjust them. So we'll get to it. So we just put some tape where that's like 3 feet right there. 4 feet was like up to the glass, and I was like, dang, that's still super high. So we're just gonna start adjusting it, and I mean, if I can get it lower than this, I might even just put it as not like super low, but the fact that they are brighter, I think that should mean that we can put it a little lower than you're supposed to. I mean, 4 feet looks way higher than like when I adjusted headlights when I worked in the dealership. I mean, I'm pretty sure we had like tape on a garage door like this, and I feel like it was maybe like this high. I don't know if it was actually 4 feet high. So we're gonna turn on the lights and start adjusting it. So we're about 17 feet from the door, and we put that tape 3 feet up. I mean, I know we told you like those like general rule of thumb, I guess, how to do it, but we're just kind of gonna improvise. As you can see, I mean, it looks like it's actually right about at the bottom of the glass, or a little bit higher than the bottom of the glass. So we're gonna try to lower it down. We'll start with the driver's side, and I already messed with them a little bit, so we'll probably changed it. So clockwise makes it go up, counterclockwise makes it go down. You can see the driver's side is lowering. guys can tell, but with these bulbs and the way the housing is, like a lot of other cars I noticed, they'll have like a more distinct line. This is kind of, I mean, it's kind of deceptive because it's just a lot of light on the door. It's kind of hard to tell where like that line is adjusting them. I mean, I like the way, because we definitely lowered them a good amount. I might go a little further, but I think we'll be good.
I think that right there is about even.
That's even?
Yeah.
Might lower this side a little more. So I don't know if you guys can tell, like, I mean, we lowered them a decent amount. I don't really want to go any lower than that right now, just because, I mean, for our own safety, you don't want the headlights pointing straight down at the ground. You want to be able to, you don't want them to project out so you can see what's ahead on the road, especially if you're on like a country road at night and you can't see much. So we're gonna leave it like this, and you know, we'll drive it again. I'll have you drive behind me again.
Okay.
And we'll see if they're actually, if it doesn't look as bright in my mirrors and stuff.
All right.
So I don't know if you guys can even see me because we're outside, but thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more stuff we do to all my different cars and my family's cars and Miranda's car. And yeah, just having fun with it, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.